Okay, problem number 8. Selected balance sheet accounts of Silvano on December 31 are shown below. So we have 30, 25, 45, 30, 20. The following adjustments are to be made before he agrees to admit Pegasus as a partner in exchange for his investment of 20,000 cash. So 3% bad debts should be provided. The fair value of the furniture is 27,000 and 5,000 of the inventory is obsolete, so but can still be sold for 3,000. After the adjustment, how much capital should be reflected in the books of Silva? In other words, the adjusted capital. And then number 2, how much is the total asset of the partnership? So doon lang muna tayo sa capital. Adjusted capital. Hmm. Uh, Diskarte muna natin dito. Pag adjusted capital, asset minus liabilities. Okay. O kaya, pwedeng ganun ang gawin na lang natin, no? Asset minus, so yung start tayo sa total assets. So, of Silvano. Total asset of Silvano. So, ano yan? You have 30, 25. So, pwedeng ang gawin natin, hmm, sige, marami kasing diskarte rito eh. Paano gawin ito eh. So, total asset of Silvano. So, okay, madali-dali lang muna. Ito muna tayo. Ito. Aha. Okay, kinopy ko lang muna. So, ito yung total. Unadjusted. Unadjusted. So, 30, 35, and 32. So, 70, 132,000. 132,000. Okay, next is adjustment. 3% of budget should be provided. So, ito yung adjustment. So, number 1, budgets. So, 3% of AR. So, yung AR is 2.5, 3%. So, 750. Next is, the fair value of the furniture is 27. So, yung furniture, okay, per record is 32, 27. So, deduct of 5,000. Then the third adjustment, 5,000 of the inventory is obsolete but can still be sold for 3,000. So there is a 2,000 adjustment. So this is the inventory. 2,000 lang kasi meron pang realizable value yung 5,000 na 3,000. So 2,000. So this is the adjusted balance. Okay. So 7,700, so 124. No? 132 minus 7,750. So 124 to 50. Ang tinatanong, capital. So, minus liabilities. So, yung liabilities, hmm, tama ba to? 750. But it's, okay. Okay, so liabilities. Wala namang ibang adjustment ang liability. So, 8,000. So, 8,000. So, ito na yung capital. No? 124. So, 116. So, adjusted capital is 116,250. So, letter B. Next is how much is the total asset of the new partnership. So, kaya ganito yung ginawa ko para ito na magamit natin, no? So, yung Silvano adjusted capital or adjusted assets, Silvano assets, yung 124,250. Okay? And then, the additional investment, cash investment, o Pegasus investments, no? Kano nga yun? 20,000. 20. So, total. So, this is the total assets. So, ang total asset, 144,250. Okay. So, letter D. Next, number 9. Bisa natin ng konti, no? Para tayo. Yellow, orange, and violet form a partnership on May 2006. They agreed that yellow will contribute office equipment with total fair value of 40,000. Orange will contribute delivery equipment with fair value of 80,000. And violet will contribute cash. If violet wants 1/3 interest in the total capital and profit, how much should she invest? Madali lang to, pero ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga shortcut na ano muna natin, no? So nakalagay dito, the yellow and orange. Yan naman natin si yellow and orange capital. So they agreed that yellow will contribute equipment of 40,000. So meron siyang 40. Layo. 40,000. Orange will contribute delivery equipment per value of 80. So, plus 80,000. So, okay. So, ang total nito, 120,000. 120,000. Yan. So, dito, ang diskarte rito, di ba ang common na gagawin nyo rito para ma-compute yung 1/3 interest, yung yellow and orange, meron silang 2/3. Di ba? Sa kanila yung 2/3. So, meaning, yung kay violet ang 1/3. So, ang common na ginagawa natin dito, divided by yung 2/3. Yan. So, ito yung total capital. Ito yung common na ginagawa natin. So, 120 divided by 2/3. So, this is 180. 180,000. Then, multiply by 1/3. 1/3. So, ito yung kay violet capital. So, which is 60,000. So, another, yung gawin naman natin, ang computation nito, yung yellow and orange, alternative computation, no? Yellow and orange, ito yan, 120,000. Ang ginagawa lang natin dito, divided by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 3 minus 1. So, divided by 2. So, ito yung violet capital. Okay. $60,000. So, saan galing yung 3 minus 1? Yung 3, yun yung denominator ng 1/3. And then minus 1. So, kung halimbawa, depende no sa ano yung agreed capital. So, gawin natin dito, gawa ko ng table. Okay? Ito yung capital ng ito yung yellow and orange, no? Yellow and orange. Ayan. So, ito yung capital nila. Ito yung interest. Ayan. So, tapos dito si violet. Dito natin lagay si violet. Ito na yung capital. Okay, so yung yellow and orange capital, hindi nagbabago, 120 yan eh. 120. So lahat yan 120. Gawa tayo ng mga case, no? 120. Lahat yan 120. Okay, so if yellow and orange interest, let's say is 1/2, pwedeng ito 1/3, 1/4, ano muna, 1/2, so, okay. Dapat pala to kay ano na to, no? Violet interest. Violet interest. Yan. Kung violet interest is, let's say, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7. Ayan. So, iba-ibang case, no? So, if violet interest is 1/2, yung yellow and orange, 1/2. Yun yun, no? If violet interest is 1/3, yung tulad ng problem natin, yung yellow and orange, 2/3. If 1/4, 3/4 naman sa yellow and orange. And 1/5, 4/5. Doon sa ano. So, ito yung kay violet. So, paano yung computation ng violet capital? So, gagawin natin, ang denominator niya 2. No? So, 120 divided by 1. So, magiging 120 yung capital. So, magiging total capital nila is 240. So, yung 120 is 1/2 of ano. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin dito. So, lahat yan, lelas lang natin ng tigwa 1. No? 120 divided by 2. Kasi 3 minus ano to, no? Or ito yung sinasabing 3 minus 1. So, doon nang galing yung ano yung 2 eh. Okay, so ito yung 60,000. So, ito 120 divided by 3. So, 40,000. Kaya magiging total ng capital, 120 divided plus 40, 160. And 40 over 160 is 1/4. Yun yun, no? So, ito naman, 120 divided by 4. So, 30,000. Ganun din, no? 30 plus 120, 150, and 30 over 150, yun yung 1/5. No? So, yung shortcut ng ano, no? 120 divided by 5. So, 34,000. And last one is 120 divided by 6. Parang dinidak lang natin ng 1 doon sa ano. So, this is 20,000. Again, 120 plus 20, 140. So, 20 over 140 equals 1 over 7. Yan. Problem number 9. Okay na tayo rito. Okay, number 10. Al and Mahmoud decided to form a partnership. The initial investment of the partners will include cash of 120,000 for Al and 80,000 for Mahmoud. Al will transfer his office equipment with a value of 96,000 and fair value of 84,000 to the partnership. Mahmoud will transfer his land with a fair value of 1 million and the building thereon fairly valued at 600,000. Mahmoud has just bought this at a lump sum price of 1,000,008. In addition, the partnership will assume the mortgage of 400,000 on the building. What will be the total capital of the partnership? So, anong ko-consider lang natin dito? Cash of 120. This one. And then, 80. And then, all will transfer of this equipment, 96, but per value of 84. Yung 84 lang, consider natin. And then, transfer land fairly valued at 1 million. Yung 1 million per value. And building their own per value of 600. Okay. Mahmoud has just bought this at a lump sum price of 1.8. So, ignore that. So, assume liability. So, consider natin to. Yung liability. So, answer. So, 120, 80, so 200, 1.4, 1.484, 1.484. No. So, 1.484 yan. 120 plus 80,000, so 200. So, plus 84, plus 1 million, plus 600,000, minus 400,000. So, 1.484. Okay, next. 11. Medyo mahirap yata. On September 30, Payne admits gain for interest in his business. On this date, Payne's capital account shows a balance of 158,400. The following were agreed upon before the formation of the partnership. Prepaid expenses, 17,500, 5,000 to be recognized, 5% of AR. Gains to be credited to a 1/3 equity in the partnership and to invest cash aside from the 50,000 worth of merchandise. The amount of cash to be invested by gain and the total capital of the partnership are. So dito, parang ang magiging basis natin yung kay Payne. Kasi siya yung magiging variable eh. Ang fix yung kay Payne, no? So, ang Payne's capital, 158. But, okay. So, magkakaroon tayo ng adjustment kay Payne. Okay. So, ano yan? Start tayo sa unadjusted. Unadjusted capital. Okay, so 158,400. Next is prepaid. So, yung prepaid, Prepaid expenses, 17.5. Then, uh, accrued expenses. Accrued expenses is 5,000. Then, bad debts. So, ang bad debts is 5,000. Okay. Mhm. So, this is the adjusted capital. So, adjusted capital, so parang 7.5. So, 165,900. 165,000 900. Okay. Okay, next is gain is to be credited for a one-third equity in the partnership. So, and to invest cash aside from 50,000 worth of merchandise. So, tama ba yung ano natin? Baka na-skip. Tama? Okay. So dito, para ma-compute natin yung magkano yung ano, capital, divide natin by 2, di ba? Divided by 2. Okay. So divided by 2, kasi nga one-third eh. So yung gawin natin yung diskarte rito, no? Yung dito, kapag one-third, divided by 2 lang kabila. So yun yung shortcut. So 165 divided by 2, so 82,950. So ito yung capital of gain capital. 82,950. So less natin yung cash contribution. Ang cash contribution is 50,000. So ito yung ito pala yung ano no, merchandise. Merchandise pala to. So yung cash yung balance. Ang merchandise contribution is 50,000. So ang cash contribution is 32,950. 32,950. Yan. Okay. So ang tinatanong, another question, the total capital of the partnership. So yung total capital, 165,900 plus 32,950. Yung dalawa na yun, no? So yung total capital para dito sa dalawa. This one, 165 and 32. So 198. 8. Ato, ba ito? Yung 82,950. 165,900 at saka yung 82. Okay, so 248. 850. So 248,850. So that is the total capital. So ang answer natin 32 and 248. So letter A. Okay. Next, number 12. Last na yata ito. Wilder and Ness will pool their net asset to form a partnership, which will take over the asset and assume all the liabilities. The agreed capital of the new partnerships to the total asset to be transferred subject to the following adjustment. Inventory increased by 3,000. Receivable of 1,000 and 152 for wilderness respectively will be written up. Accrued expenses 4,000 to be recognized. And the unadjusted capital of Wilder is 78.5 and Nest is 70,000. What is the capital balance of each partner assuming they agree to be equal partners? Kung equal partners sila, yung total capital divided by 2. Yun lang yun, no? Total capital divided by 2. So, compute natin yung total capital. So, start tayo sa unadjusted. Unadjusted capital. Okay, yung dalawa. Yung unadjusted capital, 148,000. 500. Inventory. So, ito yung adjustment. Ang inventory to be increased by 3,000. And then, bad debts. So, ang bad debts is 2,500. So, deduct. And accrued expenses. Accrued expenses. So, 4,000. So, pinag-combine na natin, no? So, this is the adjusted capital. So, yes. Yun na. So, 2,565,142, 147,000. Tama? 65. 442. No. 65. To 2,000. 145. 145,000. So, divided by 2. Divided by 2. Kasi equal sila eh. So, 72,500. So, letter B. Yes. So, that's all for the formation and of ano. Ito pa lang yung formation. Sunod natin, operation. So again, ang formation more on the value of the asset to be contributed. Doon lang naman ang ano doon eh. Doon lang pumapasok 'yon, no? Yung value of asset to be contributed. Okay, next is operation. So the partnership law provides that if the profit excuse me. If the profit allocation has been agreed upon, the share of each partner in the losses shall be in the same proportion with the net income allocation. It also provides that on the absence of the agreement, the share of each partner in the profit and losses shall be in proportion to what they have contributed based on the capital contribution. But the industrial partner shall receive such share as may be just and equitable under the circumstances. Usually, this is fair value. However, the law is not clear to what capital balance shall be applied, whether capital balance refer to original capital, beginning or ending capital, or the average capital during the period, inasmuch as the law does not clearly specify the capital balance, it is therefore presumed to be the original capital based on original capital contribution. So, kung walang agreement. In the absence of such original capital, it should be the beginning capital. Okay. Ang isa sa difference ng partnership ng Philippine partnership sa ibang partnership is more on this operation. Yun yun, no? May binigay ako sa inyo yung Wiley, no? Doon sa Wiley, pagdating sa operation, merong pagkakaiba ng Philippine settings tsaka yung American settings. Bakit? Sa atin kasi meron tayong sariling partnership law. So, if the problem is silent, we will use the capital contribution ratio. Pero sa kanila, if the problem is silent, the profit and loss will be divided equally. Kaya baka mamaya, kumuha ko ng exam dyan, pinalitan ko yung choices, pinalitan ko yung answer based on original capital contribution ratio. Pero yung answer nila is equally. Mali yun, no? Kasi yun yung nasa batas nila, yung equal ang division of profit. Sa atin, capital contribution. Kaya minsan baka ipilit nyo yung ito yung nasa test bank no? Mali ang iba yung natin, yung partnership law. So the method of profit and loss allocation are the following. So number one, pwede equally, arbitrary ratio. So pwedeng 3:1, 2:1 in the ratio of the partner's capital balance and dividing the balance on the agreed ratio. So aside from the pwedeng capital ratio balance and may agreed ratio. Original capital, so ang original capital, yung that initial investment or the capital of the time of formation. Meron tayong beginning capital of the period. So, minsan ito yung medyo dehado yung walang diskarte. Kasi beginning capital, pwedeng at the end of the year, magkakaroon siya lalakihan niya yung investment. So, meron siyang beginning. So, after several weeks after, sa kanya withdrawin. No? Pagdating ng January 15, withdrawin niya. So, pero malaki yung beginning capital na January 1. So, pwede yun na maging basis. So, medyo dehado. Hindi siya maganda yung ganitong ratio based on beginning. So, yung ending capital, so same, no? Kung kailan end of the year, saka ka magkakaroon ng investment, tapos withdrawin mo rin agad pagdating ng middle of the year, so hindi rin siya maganda. So, yung ending. Meron tayong average capital. So, ito yung medyo justifiable. Yung average capital, meron tayong simple average and weighted average. Pag sinabi mong simple average, beginning plus ending capital divided by 2. Ganun lang simple. Beginning plus ending divided by 2. Hindi rin maganda kasi baka yung beginning mo mataas dahil nag-invest ka at the end of the year, tapos mini-withdraw mo lang siya, wala kang pera ng no? So, tataas ang simple average. Iba yung weighted average. Pag weighted average, kino-consider mo na lahat balances for the period. Okay, so next is interest on the partner's capital and dividing the profit balance on the agreed ratio, salaries, dividing the balance on the agreed ratio, they have the bonus and dividing the balance on the ratio, interest on capital account balances, salaries and bonus, and dividing the balance on agreed ratio. Okay, so isa-isahin natin to. So, equally, madali lang. Ito, ratio, okay? Okay, so dito, okay lang din to. So pagdating dito, interest. Anong basis natin ng interest? Okay, so let's say, pag binanggit sa problem, meron kang 10% interest. Okay, binanggit sa problem, 10% interest. If the problem is silent, yung interest na yun, that is for 1 year. 1 year yung interest. So kapag ang problem, halimbawa, meron tayong, minsan may problem na middle of the year nagkaroon ng formation. Tapos merong interest sa profit sharing. So take note of that date of formation. Baka mamaya nagkaroon ka ng formation July. Sinabi, may 10% interest based on the capital. So, titingnan mo kung ano, kasi kung based on beginning capital, kung 10% yun, dapat multiply mo pa by 6/12. Kasi nga, middle of the year siya nagkaroon ng ano formation. No? So, ganun ang interest. Kung beginning capital. So, walang problem kung January, start, meron ka na ng January hanggang December, kung 10% interest yun, 10% ang gagamitin natin. Kung ending capital, ganun din, no? Pag based on ending capital, 10% of the ending capital, so consider din natin yung date of formation. No, kung middle of the year, multiply by 6/12. Ano? Okay, yung average capital. Pag average capital, dito kasi, pag sinabi mong average, kino-consider na rin dito yung ano. So, ang simple average kasi, kung middle of the year, nagkaroon ng formation, ganun din. Kung ano yung diskarte natin sa beginning and ending, multiply that by yung kung number of months, yung ano natin, no? So, ano ba, 6/12, 9/12, or kung saan ilang months yung outstanding. Pero pagdating sa weighted average, hindi. Hindi natin multiply by yung 6/12 kung 9/12. Kasi iba yung computation natin pag weighted average. Pag weighted average, ang kino-compute natin, weighted average for the year. No? So, weighted average for the year. So, divided by 12 lahat yan kung for the year. Kung halimbawa, kung April siya nag-start or ano, so 9/12 na agad yun. Kasi sa pagko-compute pa lang ng weighted average. So, yung capital natin, naka-weighted average na siya. Na-multiply na agad natin by yung fraction. So, kaya ang magiging pagdating doon sa interest rate, so 10% na siya kung 10% yung rate na gagamitin natin. Ganon sa weighted average. Yun yung kakaiba, no? Interest on the partner's capital account and dividing the profit based on the agreed ratio. Salaries. So, salaries, yung salaries nito is part of the distribution of profit, not treated as expenses. Bonus to partner and dividing the balance on the agreed ratio. Pag bonus, so dapat ang basis natin ng bonus positive. Hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng basis na bonus na negative. Ano pwede maging bonus? Bonus based on net income and bonus based on net income after salaries, or bonus after bonus. Bonus based on net income after bonus. Pag yung mga term na ginagamit na before at saka yung after in yung minus. Halimbawa, net income based on net income after bonus. So net income minus bonus in yung ano natin. So pwede ba tayo magkaroon ng bonus kung meron kang net loss? Hindi pwede. No? Hindi tayo pwede magkaroon kung may net loss. But what if insufficient ang net income? Sa interest, sa salaries pa lang kulang na. Pwede ba tayo magkaroon ng bonus? It depends. No? Pwede tayo magkaroon ng bonus kung ang basis ng bonus natin positive. Halimbawa, ang bonus natin is 10% of net income. Yung net income positive. No? Pero kung halimbawa 10% of net income after salaries, ang net income mo 100,000, ang salaries mo 150. Mas malaki pa yung salaries, insufficient pa yung income kaysa sa salaries. Hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng bonus. Kung ang basis ng bonus natin is based on net income after bonus, kasi magiging negative na yun eh. Let's say 100 minus 150, magiging negative 50. So hindi pwede magkaroon ng bonus. How about interest? Ang interest, salaries, so lahat yan pwede tayong magkaroon ng interest and salary kahit na ang net loss or insufficient ng net income. So, depende 'yun sa sa agreement, no? Puwedeng ilagay sa agreement kung 'pag net loss, wala tayong interest. Pero if the problem is silent, puwede, no? So, yung interest, ginagamit usually 'to kasi para sa protection na rin naman ng mga investor, yung mga partner na nag-i-invest ng mas malaki kaysa ibang partner. Kasi yung ibang partner, walang hindi na withdrawal ng withdraw. Paano kung ang naging basis natin original capital, no? Original capital ang hatian. Tapos after ng magkaroon ng investment, nag-withdraw yung partner nung kokonti na lang natira. Samantalang isa, nagagamit yung pera niya doon sa operation. So dapat meron kang uh, uh, control para dito sa mga withdrawal. So yung interest. So salaries, binibigay naman to sa mga active partner. So meron tayong mga active partner. Usually yung managing partner, no? Ito yung mga active, mga managing partner. So meron siyang salaries. Kaysa doon sa ibang partner na silent partner, walang ginagawa. So ano nga yung active partner? Ang active is ostensible partner. So example ng ostensible partner, yung managing partner. Okay, next is yung combination, no? Okay. So problem number 1 na tayo. Okay, Kenny, a senior partner in the law firm, has a 30% participation in the firm's profit and losses. So during 2018, Kenny withdrew 130,000 against her capital but contributed property with a fair value of 25,000. Kenny's capital increased by 15,000 during 2018. The net income of the partnership for 2018 is, so binanggit dito, capital increased by. So this is the difference between the beginning and ending. Meron tayong difference ng beginning and ending capital. So, natin. Okay, yung capital balances. So, meron tayong beginning capital. Beginning capital. Tapos, pwedeng madagdagan niya ng investment, withdrawals, and then net income or net loss. So, ito yung ending capital. Okay, binanggit na rito, no? Meron siyang increase by 15,000. Walang binanggit kung magkano ang beginning or ending. Basta ang gawin lang natin, meron siyang difference. Kung 0 yung isa, ang ending natin is ang ending natin 15,000. So basta may increase na 15,000. So pwedeng 100,000, 115,000. So 0 and 15,000. Basta merong increase. Next is withdrawal of 130,000. So dito 130,000. And then contribution of 25,000. So this is 25 and net income for the difference. So 25 minus 130 plus net income equals 15,000. So dito ingat din sa no? Minsan yung i-review nyo, no? 0 plus 25 minus 130. Tapos yung net income na na-compute mo equals 15,000. So, mhm, okay. So, magkano to? 105. So, 120. 120,000. 120,000 yung net income. Ang tinatanong net income of the partnership. So, yung share in net income, ano pala to? Share. No, hindi to net income. Share in net income. Okay, so tayong share in net income of 120, then divided by 30. 30%. No? Dito ko na lang ilagay. Isa pa. So, P&L percentage. So, 30%. So, this is the uh, partnership net income. So, 400,000. Dali pa lang. No? Next. Meron na ba kayong mga libro tungkol sa advanced financial accounting? I suggest na meron kayo, no? Dali, may nabibili lang na mga mura dyan, merong mahal. Ako nun, kahit nga yung ano, konti naman ng changes sa, ano, sa AFAR, kahit luma, no? Mababanggit ko naman sa inyo saan yung mga, ano, so, may 100 peso nga, makakabili na kayo eh. Pero pag bago, maabot yan ng mga 800. Depende kung ano yung uh, ano bibilin mo. Okay. Number 2, JJ and MJ are partners operating a chain of retail stores. The partnership agreement provides the following. Okay. So salaries, interest, bonus. So the income summary account for the year shows a credit balance. So ang income summary, credit balance, so that is net income before any deduction. Average capital balance of JJ and MJ are 25,000 and 37,005 respectively. The share of JJ and MJ in the 25,500 net income would be okay. So you have salaries, interest, bonus, remainder. So ito lang diskarte dyan. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. Okay. So this is JJ and MJ and total. So ito yun, no? We have salaries, then interest, then bonus, remainder, and total. So ang total na paghahatian nila, so dito ilagay na agad natin yung 25,500. So 25,500. Okay, so salaries. So pag salaries, again, medyo ingat kapag sa salaries. Kapag ang problem, let's say, meron kang, ang salaries kasi, pwede siyang monthly, pwedeng annually. Dito wala namang binanggit, kaya na yun ang gagamitin natin. May mga problem kasi na ito, pwedeng babanggitin, annual salaries or monthly salaries, babanggitin sa problem. Kapag annual salaries, tapos nag-start ka ng middle of the year, So, multiply pa natin ng fraction, no? Para ma-compute mo yung total salaries. So, ganun din naman kapag monthly salaries, yung number of months naman, and to consider natin. So, ito, 5,000 and 2,500. Ang lamig dito. Nakatutok ako sa aircon. Ay, 7,500. Interest. Mhm. Average of, so 2,500 and 3,750. So, 6,250. Bonus. So, ito yung bonus. Bonus is 20% of net income before interest, but after bonus and salaries. Minus bonus, minus salaries. Yun yun. So, pero binanggit, before interest. So, in-ignore natin yung interest. But after. So, ang bonus natin is 20% of net income. So yung bonus, hindi pa natin alam. So, B equals 20% of net income of 25,500 minus salaries. Ang salaries of 7,500 minus B. No? Minus B. Okay. So, therefore, we have B equals 25,500 minus 7,500. That is 18,000. So, 18,000 multiplied by 20%. So, 3,600 minus 0.20 20B, yung 20%. So, pag nilipat natin yung B ito sa left side, so it come 120, 1.2. 1.20B equals 3,600. So, therefore, B equals 3,600 divided by 1.2. So, 3,000. So, yun yung bonus. So, ang bonus, kay JJ lang. So, ito tayo yung 3,000. So, this is 3,000. Kaya ito. Lang ha? Mukhang important lang. Yes, good morning. Saan po? Saan po? Saan po? Ay, hindi po. Ay, hindi po. Ang may hawak po na si Randy na. Yung si Randy. Yung, yung driver niya pa. Yun ang, apa. Ah, tatanungin niyo na lang po. Sige po. Okay. Ay. So, 25,500. Oh, ito. So, yung remainder, so, dapat mo-compute natin 7,500, 6,250, and 3,000. So, minus 25,500. So, ganun lang siya. So, ang balance natin, 8,750. 8,750. Then, to be divided, 30/70. So, ang remainder natin, 30% of 8,750, 2,625. And then, 70%, 6,125. 6,125. So, all in all, so pag pinagsama natin to, 253761 12375 yan. 12375. Meron na rin dito. So letter D. So 13125 to. 13125. Okay. Mm-hmm. So ang answer, letter D. Mm-hmm. Okay. Next. Okay. Number problem 3. Ang haba nito. So, medyo mahaba to. Okay, kaya naman. Ito yung mahabang problem. Denver and Nuggets organized a partnership on January 1. The following entries were made on their account during 2018. So, meron tayong capital. Ito yung debit withdrawals and credit investment. If the partnership net income computed before salaries, interest, and bonus is 56,000, indicate its division between the parties under each of the following independent profit sharing agreement. Answer A. Interest of 4% is allowed on average capital investment and the balance is divided equally. So parang independent no. So letter A lang muna tayo. So letter A. Interest of 4% allowed on average capital. So dito, we need to compute first for the average capital of the partner. So, ano natin? Siguro pwedeng 9 columns. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ayan, 9 columns ko na lang para mas tipid. Okay, so we have the Denver and Nuggets. So, dito, Denver and Nuggets. Dito. Okay. Okay, so yung date, consider natin. So January, April, October. So ito, January 1. Tapos April 1, then October. April 1, then October 1. Then sa kabila, we have January, March, September. January 1, March 1, and September 1, and another one, November 1. So, sa mga libro, iba-iba yung mga diskarte nila sa pag-average capital eh. So, maraming klase yung computation ng average. Pero ako, ginagamit ko, yung simple lang na hindi ko kino-consider yung running balance. So, kung ano lang yung nasa credit and debit. So, 180. Start tayo sa 180,000. Then, ang April, 50 and 10. So, nasa debit siya. So, deduct 50. And, ano tayo rito na 10,000. Yung iba ginagawa nila 180, tapos maging 130, hanggang 120. So, dito naman, for nuggets, 60, 10. So, meron tayong 60. Then, 10,000. Then, nagkaroon na ng credit of 20 and 10. 20. And 10,000. So, next is to multiply this by yung ratio, yung fraction, no? So, for this one, yung una, yung January 1, ang ko-consider natin from January to December. Unlike nung isa kasi pag running balance, January to April. Ganun ang ano. Pero dito, pag ganito, gagamitin natin yung from January to December. So 12/12. And then from April to December, 9/12. And October to December, 3/12. So just multiply. So meron tayong 180,000. Then 59/12, 37.5. So negative 37.5. Then 10,000. So 25. No? Negative 2,500. So total 140,000. So this is the uh, average 140,000. Yung ending niya 180. Ito yung ending naman, no? 120,000 ang ending. So dito naman 60. Ganun din, no? 12/12. Then March. So this is 10. 10/12. Then September 4/12 and 2/12. So this is 60,000. 10/12. Alanganin to 8,000. 8,333. Then 20, ganun din. 6,667. And this one, 1,666 ang gawin natin. Kasi nag-round off tayo sa isa. Round down naman dito para mag-balance yan. So, lalabas, this is 60,000. Okay. Okay. This one, 80, 10. So, 80,000. So, yun yung ending capital and average capital. Ending capital, yung nasa left side, no, yung 120 tsaka 80, ang average capital 140 and 60. Okay, ang next is, so for letter A, nahin natin yung letter A. Letter A. Hindi, ano ko na lang. 4 columns lang naman to. Ito yung A. Okay. So we have Denver and Nuggets. Ito, again, total. Kasi pag operation, mas maganda tikahon. Yun ang gagawin natin. So, ang requirement, interest at 4% allowed on average and the balance divided equally. So, interest ang una. So, merong interest. And then, balance. So, ito na yung total. So, the amount to be divided, 56,000. Ito, no? Ito yun, 56,000. Inyong net income. So, yun yung lagay natin dito, 56,000. So, yung interest is 4% on the average capital balance. So, 140. Ito yun, 140 multiplied by 4%. So, that is 5,600. Ito namang isa, 60. No? 60 multiplied by 4%. So, 2,400. 2,400. So, this is 8,000. Okay, ang balancing figure, 56 minus is 48,000. So, ano ba binanggit dito? So, balances. To be divided equally. So, 48. So, meron tayong 24 and 24,000. Okay, so you have 20. So, dito, 29,600 and 26,400. So, yun ang total. So, ito na yung total. So that is for letter A. Next, letter B. Hmm, Diretso na lang natin to. Okay, so B. Ganun ulit, no? Nandiyan si Denver Nuggets total. Okay. So for B, salary of 24,000 to be credited to Nuggets. So meron salary. So salary of 24,000. 24,000. Wala naman tayo nakitang problem. No January 1 kasi nag-start, meron na. So kaya 100% salary 24. Sama, no? 24,000. Next. And then 4% interest allowed on each partner on based on ending capital. So ang interest natin uh, so ang ending capital 120. Ito, no? So 120, lagay nga natin dito yung interest. Yung kanina baka ano, so parang meron tayong 140 multiply by 4% and yung isa naman uh, 60, no? Multiply by uh, 4%. Yan. Yan. So ito naman yung interest natin dito iba, no? 120 multiply by um, again 4%, 4% and 80,000 multiplied by 4%. Isang importante yung ganyan kahit na madali ilalagay. Magno-note ka. So may mga instances na malilimutan natin yun eh. Ngayon alam mo siya. So kahit na madali, para mabilis ang pagre-review. Pag ni-review, no? Madali, makita natin agad yung formula. So 120, so this is for 8 and 32. 3,200. Total niyan, 8,000. Okay. So, letter B. Okay. Interest and the balance in the ratio of beginning capital. Balance based on ratio of beginning capital. Ang capital nila 180 tsaka 60. Yun yung beginning. So, pag tinotal natin 240. 180 over 240 and 60 over 240. So, 75 and 25%. So, balance. Ang balance based on 180 is to 60. Okay. So, ito yung total. Again, total tayo. So, ang total to be divided, 56,000. So, ang natitira na lang, 24, 8, so 32, 32, 56. So, 24,000. So, yung 24,000 to be divided, so parang ano yan eh, 1/4, 3/4, 6,000 and 18,000. 18,000 is must be 22 for 8. 22, 8 and 33, 200. So that's letter B. Okay, letter C. Ganun ulit. Denver Nuggets. So, next is letter C. Salaries allowed to Denver Nuggets in the amount of 34 and 38. This time, insufficient yung net income. Mas malaki pa ang salaries. 34 and 38 salary. So, salaries, yeah, 34, 38. 34,000, 38,000. So, 72,000. Next is remaining profit and losses to be divided in the ratio of average uh, capital. So, okay. Remainder. So, ang remainder based on average. Ang average natin dito is 140 tsaka 60. So, remainder based on 140 is to 60. Okay, so ito yung total. Again, ang total natin 56,000. So, ang magiging remainder natin ngayon, negative. No? 72 minus 56, 16,000. 16,000. So, parang lumalabas yan. 70%, 30% to, 140, 60. So, 30%, so 48. So, 4,800. So, negative. So, 11,200. Negative 11,200. Okay. So, all in all, meron tayong 22, 800 and 33, 200. So that's letter C. Letter D, another ilang columns pa ba itong D? Bonus salary equally. So, okay. Bonus salary equally. Isa pa. Ayan. So, letter D. Okay. Okay. So, unahin natin. Ito. Bonus of 10% on net income salary. Okay. So, merong bonus salary. Then, okay. Bonus salary, then balance na. Remainder. Okay. Remainder. So, ang remainder nila based on equally. No? And remaining profit losses equally. The bonus is regarded as an expense for the purpose of calculating the bonus amount. Ibig sabihin nun, ang bonus is based on net income after bonus. Regarded as an expense after net income after bonus. So yun yun. So unahin muna natin ang okay. So dito naman na yung total. Total again is 56,000. Okay, yung computation ng bonus. Okay, that's na to. 56,000. Okay. 10%. Okay, so this is 10% of 56,000 minus bonus. So, malabas this is B. Okay. B equals 5,600 minus 0.10B. So 1.1B equals 5,600. Okay. Calcu. 5,611. So 5,6 divided by 11. Okay, so 50.91. 50. Okay, so therefore B equals 5,091. So, yun yung bonus. So, sino bang mayroong bonus? Okay. Tanggalin ko muna to. So, ang bonus to Denver, 5,091. And then, but yung salary is nuggets. No, dito, no? Nuggets of 16,000. Okay. 16,000. So, meron pang remainder. So, this is 5,091 and 16,000. So, 56, 40, 34, 909. 34,909. So, to be divided equally, so this is 17,450. 17,450. 450. 450, 450. Tama? 50. 17,454. And 50. Kailangan yun pa, hindi pa siya nag-exact. 34,909. Okay. So, ang total, ito, 22,545.50. And this one, 33,455.50. Okay. Yes. And then total. Hindi pala. Hmm. Okay, next. So, nakuha to. Sabi kayo, kung may gusto kayong balikan, ha? Para makopya yung ano. Problem number 4. X, Y, and Z agreed to form a partnership and to share profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. They also agree that Z is to be allowed salary of 140,000 and Y a guaranteed of 105,000 as his share of the profits. So during the first year of operation, reported net income 420,000. How much of the profits should be credited to X, Y, and Z? So dito on this time merong agreed guaranteed. Tapos may guaranteed yung Y, no? So kung insufficient yung magiging share niya based on the 5:3:2 ratio, so dapat dadagdagan, magbabawas naman doon sa ibang partner based on the profit sharing ratio of the remaining partner. So, X, Y, and Z. So, X, Y, tatlo. So, 5 tayo. 5 columns. 5 columns. Yes, ito. So, we have X, Y, Z, then total. Usually, pag ganito yung problem, ano yan. Okay, so salary muna. So, meron salary. So, ito, ang salary of 140,000. Okay, 140 for Z. And Y guaranteed of 105. Okay. So, yung 140, ano natin muna yung balance. Balance. So ito yung 140. Ang balance natin, 420 to eh. 420. Meron tayong 420,000. So, 420 minus 140, so 280,000. 280. So, based on the balance of 532, 5 is to 3 is to 2. So, 280, 50%. So, 140, 30%. So, this is 84. And 20%, 56,000. So, ito yung balance. So, meron tayong 140, then 84, and 196,000. Kaya lang merong guaranteed, no? So, based on, meron tayong guaranteed dito kay 105 for Y. So, 105, meron pang required na 21,000. So, ito yung 105,000 minus 84,000. So, meron tayong balance of 21,000. Yung 21,000 na yan, para makompute natin yung 105,000. So, this 21,000 to be divided using the ratio of other partners, 5 and 2. 5 is to 2, no? So, 5 is to 2, 5 over 7, tsaka 2 over 7. So, dito, 5 over 7 of 21,000, 15,000. Ito yun, no? So, deduct natin yung 15,000 and the, okay, 6,000 dito. 6,000. So, all in all, 140 minus 100, so 125,000. Then, 190,000. So, wala tayo rito. So, this is 420,000. So, bigay natin yung original, no? Bakit naging, okay. So, this is for X and Z, PNL, PNL ratio equals 5 is to 2. So, ito na rin yung 5 over 7 tsaka 2 over 7. Kaya pagdating dito, yung 21,000, multiply this by 5 over 7. So, 15,000. So, that's equal to 15,000. And then, yung 2 over 7, 21,000 multiply by 2 over 7. So, this is 6,000. 4. So, pag may guaranteed, babawas natin yung kung insufficient, no? Pag sufficient, walang problema eh. Wala tayong babawas. Kaya pag may guaranteed, so shoulder ng ibang partner. Number 5. Okay. Still have ilang minutes pa. 15, 18. Okay. So, X and Y form a partnership in January 2, 2019 and agreed to share profit and losses in the ratio of 90% and 10%, respectively. X contributed capital of 6,250. Why? No capital but has specialized expertise and manages the firm full-time. So there were no withdrawals during the year. The partnership agreement provides for the following. Capital accounts are to be credited annually with interest at 5% based on beginning capital. Y is to be paid a salary of 250 per month. Ito yung binabanggit ko, 250 per month. Eh kung 1 year yung pinag-uusapan natin, multiply that by 12. Y is to receive a bonus of 20% of net income calculated before deducting his salary and interest on both capital accounts. Bonus, interest, and Y's salary are to be considered as partnership expenses. So, partnership considers partnership expenses. So, ano lang yun, not considered. Pero hindi talaga siya, hindi siya expenses. So, sa computation lang ng uh, net income after uh, yun yung after salaries, bonus, interest. So dito, the partnership income is 11,687.50. Kasi that is, ang tawag natin dito, net income after salary, interest, and bonus. After, kasi after mong ma-deduct yung salary, interest, and bonus. Ang tinatanong dito, magkano yung bonus? Ano ba ang basis natin ng bonus? Net income before. So, hindi pwedeng ang bonus natin 20% of 11. Hindi. So, dapat 20% of 11,687.50 plus. So, i-add back natin yung salary, interest, and bonus. Then number 2 requirement, how much is the total share of YY and the partnership net income. So, ang unang diskarte natin dito is to compute for the net income. Before. Yun ang kailangan natin. Net income before. Okay, ano bang maganda dito? Sige, wag ko nang diretso ko na. Net income, tawag natin dito, net income after salaries, interest, and bonus. Ayan. So, net income after salaries, so 11,687. 11,687 and 50. Next. Ano ba? Okay. So, next is to add back. Add back natin yung para ma-compute natin yung before. So, add back ang bonus wala pa. So, add yung salaries. So, magkano ba yung salaries? So, ang salaries dito is 250. 250 per month. So 250 multiply by 12. 3,000. So 3,000. Also add natin yung interest. Okay, ang interest is 5% of beginning capital. Ang beginning capital 6,250. So 5% of 6,250. So titingnan naman natin, January naman nag-start eh. So 100% of the 5%. 6,250, so 300 ano lang to? 312 50. Bakit ganun ang ano? Yun. 0.00 ito 312 and 50. So, yung bonus, wala tayong chance na may get natin dito. Kaya ang tawag natin dito naman, net income after bonus. Net income after bonus na lang. Kasi na i-add back na natin yung salaries and interest. So, tatanggalin na natin siya sa after. Yun. So, 312, so 1,000 yun. 12, 15,000. So, lumalabas, this is 15,000. Net income after bonus. Okay. Ang bonus natin is 20% of net income before deducting the salary, interest, and bonus. So, lumalabas, ang net income after bonus is equivalent to 80%. Kasi after mong deduct yung no? So, divided by, ito yung 100% minus 20% bonus. So, 80% divided by 80%. So, lumalabas, this is the net income after, net income lang before deducting. So kahit wala siyang nakalagay, yun na yung net income natin eh. Net income before deducting the salary, interest, and and bonus. So, kaya yan, 15,000 divided by 80%. Okay, so 18,000 $18,750. So, therefore, ang bonus is bonus rate equals 20%. So, ito na yung bonus. Bonus is 3,750. 3,750. So, na yung bonus. So, kaya ang answer dito is letter C, bonus. And then, how much is the total share of YY on the partnership? Okay, so, ano ba yung dyan? Latagulin natin. This time, 4 columns. Okay. So, this is XX and YY total. Okay. So, yung agreement nila, ito, no? 5% salary tapos interest, salary, bonus. Okay. So, meron tayong interest, salary, then bonus, balance, remainder, and total. So, ang total to be divided, 18,750. Wait lang ha. Okay. Yes, hello. Hanggang 12. May 5 minutes lang ako. Ako pa mag-attend? Sige. Tawag ako after 5 minutes. Sige. Okay, 18,750, no? So, dito na-compute na natin yung mga interest. Ang interest, 312.50. Then, ang salary is 3,000. Yan. Ang bonus is 3,750. Okay. Yung remainder na binabanggit dito, this is the net income after interest, salaries, and bonus. So, ito yung 11,687.50. 11,687 and 50. Yan yun. Okay. So, allocate na lang natin, no? So, yung interest, kay XX yun, no? X, 312. 50. And then, ang salary is 3,000. Then, bonus, 3,750. Okay, next is 687 to be divided. Ang parang 90 and 10 na yata ito eh. Diba? Okay, 90% and 10%. So, malabas 1168. 1,168.75. Okay. Oh. Ano ba tinatanong? So, ito, 10,000, 500, 18.25. Okay. So, total, 10,830.75. So, 7,918. Uh, 918.75. Okay, so this is it, no? Tinatanong, how much is the total share? 7,918.75, letter C. Ito. Yes. Okay. Okay na? Okay. May gusto kayong balikan bago ko tanggalin ang sharing? Wala, na-copy lahat ang ano ha. So, yung remainder dito, continue natin next meeting. 6, 7, 8, 9. Tapos doon sa liquidation, try nyong solve yung last problem doon sa liquidation. Turuan ko kayo ng diskarte pa sa liquidation. Iba-ibang technique sa liquidation. Okay, so wala. May question?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, isa niyo po ba yung yung word po?
Ano ba yung binigay sa inyo? Ano binigay? Anong
Sir,
kopya niyo?
yung may mga solution na po.
Gusto niya may solution.
Yung